let's start this again. Please don't mind my super messy hair. It has to be washed, but that is last on our list today. I am leaving for New York City tomorrow. Haven't packed. So we're gonna do that together. Apparently the weather is like around the 9°C mark, but super windy. I think I'm gonna bring a like short, maybe leather jacket, my trench coat, and then potentially this Luxton coat. So let's quickly try them on. Luxton coat, I feel like this is the backup in case it's actually as cold as some people are saying. Like I have someone who is Canadian who had messaged, someone who's actually Canadian living in New York said that's actually not that bad, but I will bring this just in case. Probably would just wear it with a t-shirt underneath at this point. This is Luxton, the curve coat. I don't know if she still makes them. I know last year she made them in a slightly like less voluminous style / cut, but I love this jacket so much. I feel like it's just like a chic puffer. I'm gonna be doing a lot of shopping, so it has these little straps. It has like the backpack straps, which I feel like would make it really, really convenient to have. But I'm also a big fan of layering, so we're gonna bring a lighter jacket too. Let's fold it up first into the bag, because this one's gonna go at the bottom. We're gonna bring the luggage right here. So you can see this little Uniqlo pouch that I put like my underwear and stuff in. I'm considering bringing the Studio Nicholson, this Studio Nicholson trench, which you would have seen in Fall Haul Part 2. I haven't worn it that much, so I feel like I want to get more use out of it in New York, and it might be raining for a little bit. So I'm flying out tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to wear my Lululemon day drift pants. I've decided already, because obviously they're super comfortable, but they still look like decent pants. And probably a t-shirt, some sort of jacket that isn't the ones I'm packing. Okay, this is an Acne Studios leather jacket. I got this leather jacket, like before kids. I got this leather jacket way before kids, so it's a little tight. So it's like a really tight fitted leather jacket, which like I haven't worn it before. I got it so many years ago, so I had to break it in. It fits on the smaller side, but I feel like once I break it in, it's gonna be a lot looser. I feel like it could be really cute for like a dinner. I have like 3 dinners there, and we're going to a really yummy sushi restaurant, then a French restaurant, then Friday's kind of up in the air. This is kind of the idea, that I would bring the trench coat, layer it with this leather jacket underneath, because then I have like multiple layers of wind protection, which is what I'm afraid of. Like 9°C is so warm for me. I could probably go out in a long sleeve, but if there is wind and I'm out all day, I feel like I will need some sort of jacket. So I'm thinking this leather jacket with a trench on top. So yeah, this is like the thought process. I don't think I can wear this leather jacket on the plane though. It's like so stiff, but I definitely want to bring it. Like, I just need to get the arm area, you know, loosened up. I think these are the jeans I'm gonna bring. I'm gonna bring 2 pairs. These are the Citizens of Humanity Miro jeans in the dark wash. So I can roll them up during the day and then wear them full length at night for dinner. I'm gonna bring some sort of heeled booty, I think, because I will not have my kids with me. I'm gonna bring my nicer t-shirts. I recently invested in these t-shirts. I think they're called Flore. Someone's gonna correct me. I got the fitted t-shirt and the fitted tank, which looks like this. This one I haven't worn yet. Literally has a tag on it. Everyone that I know raves about these. Like anyone who's tried them loves them. Or do I bring my Ayla jeans, the dark wash version? I was gonna bring the light wash Ayla and the dark wash Miro, but what are we thinking? Okay, I need to decide, but I think I'm leaning towards these. And because everyone is saying it is so cold and I should layer, I'm gonna bring this fuzzy Lauren Manoogian sweater. Like, look how fuzzy, it's super warm. I can layer it under the trench, I think. Or am I gonna hate a long jacket in the subway, if I do subway? Do we like this angle better? I feel like the other angle is making me look like I have a double chin. Okay, sorry. My hair is really, really bothering me. I should have showered before I filmed this. Okay. This outfit, am I wearing this on Friday or Thursday? Maybe. I will definitely wear this as an outfit. I'm definitely bringing loafers, but which ones? Okay, this is outfit maybe for Friday. I have a bunch of meetings in the morning, and then in the afternoon too. But essentially I'll be walking around a lot. I'm gonna have like a bandana scarf, I think, toque, big bag, but I think I'm gonna bring these loafers because I've walked miles in them and I know that they're comfortable, and a pair of boots, and then a nicer pair of boots for like dinner time. Actually, I forgot about my Bali shoes. I think these ones these ones look a little bit dressier than like these ones. So I think I'm gonna wear these ones, the Bali ones, because they're a little bit more pointed toe, a little bit dressier. The row moccasins are super comfy and great, but there's a little bit more casual. So I think we're gonna do this because it's a little bit more versatile if I can only bring a few shoes. You know what? I've just convinced myself I am not bringing my puffer. There's absolutely, I think, no reason I need a puffer when it is above 0 degrees. So this is what we're doing. We're gonna do this old Acne Studios, like, double face cashmere jacket. It used to come in cashmere, now I think it's just wool, unfortunately, but my little Luxton vest that I feel like will be a great layer underneath. I might bring a long sleeve actually, but I really like how this looks. Hands are Daisy. We would do, I think, the red Nikes that I have, but I just sprayed them, so they're outside. But to get like a shoe idea, loafer, throw this on, bandana, hat, bag, I still have to decide, but I think this is going to be, you know what, I think this will be the long sleeve that would go under the vest. And I can pack it into my bag if it gets too warm. So invest in thin cashmere layers. Thursday night we're going to a little sushi restaurant. I honestly don't even know the dress code for any of these places, but hoping jeans are fine. I think this could be a look. This is an old Frankie shop vest that I can't even do up, but I think it's okay. And then the jeans I'm going to bring for Saturday. And then these, I think, will be the boots. I will be on the hunt for boots in New York, but I think I'll bring these in case. But I will bring these too, I think. Oh, I also ordered a pair of Helloooo pants to my aunt's place in New York. So that could also be an option. They're like taffeta barrel pants. That could be really nice. So maybe I'll bring like a little tank top and like cardigan situation for Saturday. I just want to try on the airport outfit, which is essentially going to be all Lululemon, I think. This is the Steady State oversized women's hoodie, day drift pants. I'm gonna wear the Jacquemus Nike red sneakers, and then on top, gotta bring some light denim to New York. So we are going to do the Shane Moat jean jacket because I can wear it as a shirt if I decide that I want to have another shirt option. Am I happy with this? I think so. I think we're good. Okay, so outfits are good. Now we have to do like skincare, makeup. This is another hat I'm gonna bring. I'm gonna bring a gray cashmere hat too. I'm bringing this red bandana scarf. I already have my eyes on a couple other cashmere scarves that I'm gonna buy, so I'm not gonna bring too many. Okay, so we have that. Got a belt. These are my boots. These are the loafers. Wearing sneakers. Leather jacket. I'm actually not gonna bring that. This can come out. So what are we doing? This will go on top. I don't want to squish my leather jacket. That t-shirt, jeans, sweater. I'm gonna do separately. I don't want. A little bit worried that the blue denim's gonna rub off because I haven't washed them yet. So we're gonna pack the black wool jacket on top, kind of mitigate any rubbing. The vest. Another sweater. The khakis. Another t-shirt. Okay, we're gonna do some socks. I have black socks, like trouser socks, a little shimmery one, gray merino socks, some blue ones. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be more than enough. Okay, I think that's all the clothes. I'm gonna go pick up Nico and get some American Cash before it's too late. And we are gonna do bags, like accessories, jewelry, makeup, skincare tonight after the kids go to sleep. So hopefully I'm not too rushed and stressed and I can film it. Okay, we're back to packing. I just showered finally, so my hair is no longer greasy, it is just wet. I took out the boots. I don't know if you see it anymore, but I took out these boots because I just decided I'm not gonna need them. I can wear my volley loafers basically to any event or any like dinner thing that I have planned. Nothing's like gonna be requiring heels, and if I really do need heels, I am gonna be shopping for a pair of heeled booties anyways. I want to leave room in my luggage because I know I have a bunch of stuff that I am bringing back already. That's before like I've even just like started shopping on my own. I am questioning the leather jacket, but whatever. I also am bringing my totem belt, 3 pairs of glasses. These ones from Crew. I'm bringing my Gucci sunnies or spectacles. They're a little bit tinted, but not like a real sunnies. And then my actual glasses. Makeup bag, which I will go through, I guess, when we're in New York, when I'm actually doing my makeup. Bag-wise, I'm bringing what I brought to PEI, the ginormous nylon tote. It's like 27 liters or something, so it fits so much. I have my Loewe puzzle bag inside here with a couple pouches. My like pouch that I always have has my EpiPens, medicine, lip balm, hand cream, all that jazz. My electronics pouch, which has my like batteries, microphone, cables, all that stuff. This has my birth certificate, marriage license, all that fun stuff, just in case I need it. So my over-the-ear Bose headphones that are super ratty, so I'm not even gonna show you. I have like the small ones that like kind of go on your ear like that, like almost like an earring, and they're missing. They are so good and I'm obsessed with them, but I don't know where they went. So I'm gonna add it to my Christmas wish list because I need a new pair. Big wallet has my passport, cash, cards, health cards, all that jazz. I brought like a little one too, just for like daytime. I think it's time to wrap this packing vlog up. It was chaotic. I'm sure it will be chaotic. Hope that you enjoy it regardless. And I will see you in the next video, which will be in New York City.